In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change active hours on Windows 11. Active hours tell Windows when you're usually using your PC, so it avoids restarting for updates during that time. Setting this correctly helps prevent unexpected restarts in the middle of work, gaming, or a call, while still allowing Windows to install updates when you're away. First, open the Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. That instantly brings up settings without digging through menus. In the Settings window, look to the left side and select Windows Update. This is where all update and maintenance options live. Once you're on the Windows Update page, click Advanced Options. This area contains more detailed controls for how updates behave on your device. Next, find and click Active Hours. This is the section dedicated to choosing when Windows should avoid automatic restarts. You'll see options to let Windows set active hours automatically based on your usage or to set them yourself. For this walkthrough, choose Set Active Hours manually. Manual control is useful if your schedule doesn't match your recent activity or if your work hours change and you want to be precise. Now set your start and end time for the period when you typically use your PC. Pick a realistic window that covers your busiest hours, like your workday or the time you most often use your computer at home. Keep in mind that outside your active hours, Windows may restart to finish installing updates, so it's smart to choose a window that really reflects your daily routine. Times are based on your local clock, and once you adjust them, Windows will respect that schedule. If you don't see a Save button, don't worry. Windows usually applies the change automatically as soon as you set the times. A few quick tips as you choose. If your schedule varies, pick the broadest range that still makes sense for you. Remember that you can come back here anytime to tweak the hours if your routine changes. Also, even with active hours set, you can still restart manually whenever it's convenient for you to finish pending updates sooner. That's it. You've set your active hours on Windows 11, helping ensure updates install at better times while minimizing interruptions when you need your PC most. If you ever notice restarts happening at inconvenient times, revisit these settings and adjust the window to better match your day. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted.